Conastantu. Hello there, Ben from Bite Size Irish here. Let's take a look at how to say take it easy in Irish. So the most common way to say take it easy in Irish is tóg go bóge. Tóg go bóge. Tóg go bóge. Another and slightly less common way to say take it easy is tóg go gaeilge. Tóg go gaeilge. Tóg go gaeilge. Now, I'm from Munster, and in the Munster dialect, we say raig here, but in the Connacht and Ulster dialects, that word is pronounced ray. So they would say tóg go gaeilge. So these two expressions, tóg go bóge and tóg go gaeilge, can be used to just say generally to somebody, take it easy, but they can also be used in different contexts. So you could, for instance, say tóg go bóge an bórtar a nocht, and that means take it easy on the porter tonight. So porter is a type of beer. So what we're saying here is don't drink too much, take it easy on the beer tonight. Then let's say if you were a passenger in a car with somebody who's driving and isn't familiar with the road, you're approaching a dangerous corner, you might say tóg go gaeilge an guine. Take it easy on the corner. Tóg go gaeilge an guine. Very good. So then if you just wanted to simply say to somebody, take a rest, have a rest, you would say lig the ski. Lig the ski. Lig the ski. So there we have it. Our motto here at Bite Size Irish is gaeilge gach lá. It means Irish every day, a good approach to learning. So if you like some little tips on how to incorporate a little bit of Irish into your daily routine, have a look at our free ebook, 10 Secrets for Practicing Irish Every Day. You'll find a link for that in the description below. Thanks for being with me. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.